Good morning. My name is Ashraf Boutahiri. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I have this channel dedicated to hand drawing and computer aided engineering and computer aided design and also computer aided machining. So I'm going to show you for this time how to use CATIA software. First video as introduction. So when you open CATIA software V5 and you go to start, you have many shops here. And for our first session, we are interested to mechanical design and SketchUp. Okay, so we are going to work on SketchUp. But before to work on it, I would like to prefer to make a reset to my software. If I'm going to work on a computer that which is not mine, so I should make a reset to the global parameters, so that some mistakes cannot or some options cannot affect my work. So if you are going to work on a software which is not yours, so I prefer that you make a reset like this to avoid mistakes on your work. Okay, so choose reset for all type pages, so say yes and go to this parameter here and make a dump of parameter to make a global reset to these options. Also, because when you are going to use a public computer or a computer that belongs to a company and you are going to pass an interview to an internship or an interview to get a work as a designer, and you should pass some exam inside the computer, and you should pass you show them what you know to do. So you should make this reset before that you start work. And after that you go to start mechanical design and you access to SketchUp here, and you name your part, for example exercise number 1, and your name, for example my name Ashraf Boutahiri, and you type okay, exercise number 1, okay, and here you have your space and you have your plan that you want to work on it. So you choose your plan from here or from here. So, and here you have your 3, which contain all the information about your product or your drawing. So you select your plan and you go inside, and here for example you have all the elements which you are going to use to make your drawing. Okay, so here for example I'm closing this windows. Okay, and to get this the initial situation, you go to tools, customize, and you select toolbars and you select restore all contents if something is modified, and you click OK and you click on restore positions, and here you have all positions resetted. Okay, and if you have some problem with language, you go to options and you choose the language that you want to use, and after that you click close. If you want to look toolbars position, so position won't move, so you look the toolbars position before you finish, and you close everything. So here you have your desktop and your 3, and here you have your part body and the 3, and you have your sketch and absolute access and all the information about your sketch. This is introduction. I'm going to make a second video about toolbars and options and command and standard elements and how to modify them. Thank you.